so the last 2 days we have been working on leads or introductions, whatever you want to call them. And today we're going to talk about a conclusion, today and tomorrow. How do I finish up my paper to be as strong and good as the rest of my paper? So we're going to look at a couple of different examples, and then they kind of show you how they build that conclusion so that you can build yours. So think back to the opinion was that grandma's house is the best place to be, or grandma's house is the most special to me because. And so in their conclusion, it says, grandma's house is the best place in the world. I will never forget all the races in that huge backyard or the family game nights spent in the lamp-lit den. All of these things make my grandma's house special. So them here, it's going to tell us how was this paragraph made. So what was your opinion? Relate it back to the prompt. What do they want you to write about? My grandma's house is the best. Plain and simple. That is the prompt. That's what I'm writing about. Next sentence. What are your reasons for liking your topic? Okay, what were my reasons? The races we had in the backyard and the family game nights in the den. And then they just added the lamp-lit den. And then put it together. So we just put together again our favorite place and our reasons why. And then we tied it all together with the last sentence that says, all of these things make my grandma's house special. And so it doesn't, there's not a lot to it. You're just really restating your topic, giving a sentence with your reasons, again, maybe in a different way, different description words, and then tied it all together. Let's look at another one. It says, that's my life. That's why my life would not be complete without my grandma's house. The memories made there will always have a special place in my heart. So this was a different way on writing their conclusion. They created a dramatic that's why statement. So making it dramatic would mean giving something extra. The memories will always stay in my heart. So you're making it special. And then you just put it together. You know, that's why my life would not be complete without my grandma's house. The memories made there will always have a special place in my heart. I restated, I gave my that's why sentence, and then I gave a special little sentence to go on with my memory. And then we have the last one. It says, this makes me wonder if my grandma likes my house as much as I love hers. No matter how many places I visit, grandma's house will always be my favorite. I will never forget it. So you can use an I wonder, and her wonder was, I wonder if grandma loves my house as much. And then you just add 2 little sentences that go back to the prompt, talking about grandma's house being the favorite or whatever your prompt is that you're writing about, and then put it together. So really you're only writing 2 or 3 sentences in your conclusion. I wonder, I wish, or I hope that you have as many great memories at your grandmother's as I do. And so my grandmother's house will always be my favorite, or something like that. Just real simple, but tying it all together. This is the last one, another example. I hope this house stays in my family for a very long time. I would love to have it as mine own someday. Out of all the places I go, my grandma's house will always be the most special place in the world. And so they're given a hope or a wish. Like, I hope that this happens. Or you could give a wish like, I wish that everyone could have a grandma like mine. Or I wish that this house stood forever. Something like that. And then just restate it back to your topic. Going to grandma's house is my favorite. And so you're going to go back to some of your flash writings, and you're going to add a conclusion today. Just those 2 to 3 sentences of what does a conclusion look like.